Okay, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna show to you the next project of Microbit. So the name of this project is Remote Control. So this project is is Microbit, and we still use TinyBit. And for the control, we use remote from the TinyBit. And then next, this is the code.
Ja, where is Ja? You send in where Ja?
This is the on start code, and then this is the go front, and then future front, and then this is goes right, and then this go left, and then this go back, and then this deep and light, and then this the text, and then icon. Okay, next. So this is the remote. We can use the remote for move the microbit. This is up button, and then down button, right button, and left button, and this the beep button. Okay, let's turn on the microbit. So, okay, like that. Just make your front, then go back,
Just see Helmi.
then go to front, and then left, then right, more right, left, go left, go to front, and then and then just go right. Then maybe that's all for me. Sorry if there's a wrong word or something in this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.